Hi everyone, my name is Toby, and in this video, I'll be explaining transformations of functions to you, one of the most important ideas in advanced functions. So basically what transformation does is shows us how a graph moves, stretch, and reflects. Now I want to dive straight into a question, so I can show you from the start, so we don't have a lot of time today. I can see we have a general equation over here, and this is the original function. There's a general function right here. So now I'm gonna teach you what each of these letters means. So this is the first letter right here, -5, which is A. My writing is very bad. This is K, this is D, and this is C. And I'll tell you what each of these rules mean. So RK, sorry, RA, sorry, is -5. And if your A is less than 0, it's a vertical reflection. If it's less than 0, it's a vertical reflection. So write vertical reflection. And it stretches by a factor of 5, which means you multiply the y times 5, my writing is really bad right now, by 5 to get the transformation. The next one is the k. The k is also less than 0, so it's also reflected and it stretches by a factor of 4. So it's x, you multiply the x number by 4 again. This one, our d is -2. And since it's a negative, it moves to the left. If it was positive, it moves to the right. You get that? And our C is 7. So since our 7 is positive, it shifts up. But if it was negative, it will shift down. So I hope you get that. Just a quick little example. I can show you more in depth, but a quick real analogy. Or it's not really, I wouldn't say it's it's more of a good example. So we have a stickman right here, and a stickman is on the second escalator, and then moves up to this escalator. So he moves up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So you can say our C is 5. Oh, you can't say that well. Our C is 5. It moves up 5 steps. So you can say you add C to the thing. But a proper good example of transformations and how it's in real life is when the designers are building these escalators, right? They can say the escalator moves at a constant rate, and then engineers can model the motion of the steps using transformations, and each step moves upward with a constant value, which represents a vertical transformation. I hope you get that. And this is all for the lesson. Thank you for learning about transformation with me. I hope you get it, and if you don't, go more in depth with your answers and stuff. Thank you.